guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just gotta say sorry for not updating you guys recently, but I recently crashed my drone, so and I just recently got one too, so I'll be updating you guys with more drone videos. So I'll get a little drone reel going on here in a second to show you guys. So yeah, I'm here at the beach. Really nice. So in this video I'm going to show you guys a little bit more on how to adjust your guys' settings with the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. You can also do it with more of the Mavics, I think, as well. More on how to customize your remote. So I'll get to that in a second and show you guys how to set your own customization on your controller. Okay guys, we're back, and I want to show you guys how to customize your own buttons on the Mavic 2 Pro controller. So what you want to do is you want to go to the top right, 3 dots. You want to click that, and once you're done clicking that, you go down to the remote, which is on the left, and it's the third one on the bottom. And these are your remote controller settings. What you want to do is you want to scroll down to button customization. You have the 2 buttons on the back of your controller. This is C1, this is C2, and you can customize them inside the app. So C1, you have the ability to turn on or off the headlights, the LED lights. So these are the back of the drone lights, and they will shine as red. Next you have the sensor metering, and then third you have the AE lock and unlock. You have camera settings, so it'll pull up the camera settings. The camera forward and down, the camera will be horizontal or straight down. FPV mode or follow mode. Basically when you turn your drone, the camera will follow too, so it'll be like at a slant. That's what FPV mode is. And then you have battery info and navigation, replay, center autofocus, and then you can close tips. I have it set as bottom auxiliary lighting, so just in case I have it flying far, I can turn those on and see where my drone is better. And then you can also enable visual obstacle avoidance, so when it senses something in front of it, you can turn that on or off with one of these buttons. So each one of those goes for each one, each button. So with the other one you can choose something else. So like I said, I have bottom auxiliary lighting, and then C2's camera forward, up and down. So let me just show you what the camera forward, up and down is for C2. We'll just do that and then back up, so horizontal to everything. Okay, so the next thing right below that is 5D button customization. It's right here on your controller. You can see that little knob. It's black, so you can't really see that much, but there's a little knob right here, and it's really sensitive when you use it. So for me, I have up as increased aperture, but you can always change it inside the app. So let me show you how to do that. And you just click it, and there's let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, there's 7 options, and that's for this little button right here. So you also have camera forward, up and down, metering or focus switch, decrease EV or increasing EV. This is just like the how much exposure is going to be inside your camera, so you can also do that with this little button. You have the autofocus lock or unlock. You can increase aperture, so what do you want it at? Do you want it 2.8, or do you want it all the way to like 11 or something? And that will allow how much light goes inside your drone. So for me, I have increased aperture, so I will open up the cameras so more light comes in, and then down to decrease it to allow less light to come in. And then left is AE lock, and right is AE lock. So yeah guys, that's basically it for the button customization for your Mavic 2 Pro. Super easy, just you just click it, just a few flips, clicks from the home screen of the whole app. So that will be very useful while you're in the sky, because settings always change. You know, maybe you might fly into a darker environment and you might have to change your aperture or something like that. So it's always nice to have these little things handy. But the C1 and C2 buttons, I would prefer for you guys to use that aren't provided with this little 5D button, and they're easier to get to, in my opinion, than this one, because you can use these buttons while you're flying, the ones on the back. So, and you can also use the 5D one button when you're flying, but it's a little harder than using this C1 and C2. Please like and subscribe if you like my videos and my channel. And please help me out, guys. Okay, see you in the next video.